This video looks at problems where you have to compare percentage amounts and work out which is worth more than the other. Be careful with these. It's very easy to assume that because something looks bigger, it must be bigger. When we're looking at the percentage of something, we're looking at a certain proportion of it. So when you compare a bigger amount and a smaller amount, it might actually be that the smaller amount is a bigger percentage. You'll see what we mean as we go through. Two sports shops are having a sale. Sporty's Discount is offering £6 off for every £50 spent. Fitness Sale is offering £2 off for every £20 spent. Which shop is offering the biggest percentage discount? For every £50 spent, Sporty's Discount is giving you £6 off. So we need to work out what that is as a percent of £50. We need to turn that £50 into 100, and to do that we multiply by 2. That means we have to multiply 6 by 2, which gives us 12. So Sporty's Discount is offering a 12% discount. Fitness Sale, for every £20 you spend, they will give you £2 off. To make 20 into 100, we multiply by 5. That means we must multiply the 2 by 5 as well. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, and 10 over 100 is 10%. So at 12%, Sporty's Discount is offering the best deal, the biggest percentage discount. You're going to have a go at this one. Two department stores are selling the same jacket. The original price of the jacket at Royal Wears is £25, and they're selling it with £6 off the original price. Discount Wears, the original price of the jacket was £20, and they're offering that for £5 off the original price. Which shop is offering the biggest percentage discount? Pause the video, have a go, press play when you're ready for the solution. For each £25, Royal Wears is going to give you £6 off, so we need to find out what that is as a percentage of £25. We turn the 25 into 100 by multiplying it by 4. That means we need to multiply 6 by 4, and that gives us 24. So the percentage discount offered by Royal Wears is 24%. For Discount Wears, each £20 you spend will get you £5 off. We need to know what percent 5 is of 20. If you multiply 20 by 5, you get 100. That means you need to multiply 5 by 5, which is 25. Discount Wears is offering 25% off. The biggest percentage discount for the jacket is Discount Wears at 25%. Gary and Sam fill their water bottles in the morning. Gary's water bottle holds 400 millilitres of water. Sam's bottle holds 500 millilitres of water. By break time, Gary has drunk 240 millilitres and Sam has drunk 350 millilitres. Who has the biggest percentage of their water left? Out of 400 millilitres, Gary has drunk 240 millilitres. We need to find out what percent that is. To turn 400 into 100, we divide by 4. That means we need to divide 240 by 4, which is 60. Gary has drunk 60% of his water. Bear in mind that the question doesn't want to know how much the boys drank, it wants to know how much is left. Sam's water bottle, which holds 500 millilitres, has had 350 millilitres taken from it. To turn 500 into 100, we divide by 5, so we must divide 350 by 5, which is 70. Sam has drunk 70% of his water. Gary drank 60%, which must mean he has 40% left because it needs to add up to 100. Sam has drunk 70%, that must mean he has 30% left. Gary's water bottle has the biggest percentage left. You're going to try this one. Mandy uses 150 millilitres of shampoo and 160 millilitres of conditioner. Which has the biggest percentage left after Mandy washes her hair? Pause the video, have a go, press play when you're ready for the solution. The bottle of shampoo holds 600 millilitres, and Mandy has used 150 millilitres of that. To find out what the percentage is, we need to turn that 600 into 100, so we divide it by 6. That means we need to divide 150 by 6, and that's 25. Mandy has used 25% of her shampoo. The conditioner holds 800 millilitres, and Mandy has used 160 millilitres. To turn 800 into 100, we need to divide it by 8. So we need to divide 160 by 8, and that gives us 20. So Mandy has used 20% of the conditioner. If she's used 25% of the shampoo, she has 75% left. If she's used 20% of the conditioner, she has 80% left. Conditioner has the biggest percentage left. This is a nice challenging one to finish with. You're going to have a go at solving this in stages. 50 pupils in the school play a musical instrument. 35 play the violin and 15 play the piano. 40% of the violin players and 20% of the piano players are girls. What percentage of all the players are boys? Now, it's tempting with ones like this to add the 40 and the 20 to make 60 and say, oh, that 40% left must be the boys, but it doesn't work like that, unfortunately. Pause the video, have a go. As I said, do this in stages, see how you get on. Press play when you're ready. Of the 35 violin players, 40% are girls. That must mean that of the 35 violin players, 60% must be boys. 10% of 35 is 3.5. Multiply that by 6 to make 60%. That means there are 21 boys who play the violin. Now we're going to do the same for the piano players. We know that 20% of the 15 piano players are girls. That must mean that 80% of the 15 piano players are boys. 10% of 15 is 1.5. We need 80%, so if we multiply that by 8, that gives us 12. So there are 12 boys who play the piano. Now we need to work out the percentage of all the musical instrument players who are boys. We're going to add the piano players and the violin players together. 21 and 12, that gives us 33. There are 33 boys in total who play a musical instrument. The total number of pupils who play a musical instrument is 50, and the total number of boys who play a musical instrument is 33. We now need to turn that into a percentage. We're going to multiply 50 by 2 to get 100. That means that we multiply 33 by 2 to get 66. 66% of all the musical instrument players are boys.